I'm here with Rose, and Rose, I just kind of wanted to ask you, what is this partnership with the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society, Geisinger, and Diagnose Aging, guys?
Yeah, so for us in pediatric cancer, in our pediatric oncology unit, our patients are here for hours upon hours throughout the day. So when they're stuck here, they're looking for a little bit of comfort and a little bit of normalization. So being able to provide them with the soft, cuddly blanket, the fidgets that Subaru provides, it brings them a little bit of joy when they're kind of just stuck in a room all day. I've gotten many reports back from the kids that they love to take them home. They love that. They love the fact that they turn into a pillow. It's been great. So well received.
Knowing that people are out there and that they truly care about your fight and what you're going through, that is like one of the biggest supports that you can have, is knowing that people genuinely care. And then having something warm and like comforting is it's just such a nice thing to have around. You can cuddle it, and when you're having a bad day, it's like your best friend. And so getting a blanket, it truly does mean more than I feel like people think. Change of perspective, change of a point of view. It's easy to look at it and be like, oh, this is so bad, it could be worse. Like, I could be in such a worse situation, and like, we're fighting it, and we have a way to fight it. They know what they're doing, and I fully trust them.
So glad that we can be a part of this every year with you guys and deliver these little bright gifts of hope and, fun.
Us too. We really, really appreciate it. Thank you.